You should be able to just go to add an activity and then go to home and then go to should be one here, URL. You put the URL there. Now if you go to Google Docs, I've done this before, go to Google Docs. And you have a document. If you go to share, and you can edit, hit copy. So I'm copying the URL. If I take that URL into a Word document, just paste it, and instead of saying edit, I'm going to say copy. That should make it so that when they click on it, so if I go here, when they click on it, it should make a copy. Oops, wrong spot. Hit save. Here. To test, click on that. Click here, click on test, open resource. Click on that. See, if make a copy, it makes it a copy for each student.